Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you from Civics Chapter 1 Democracy. In these modules, we will learn about democracy, forms of government, elements that make democracy popular in the contemporary world, and equality and justice in India. Introduction of democracy. Democracy refers to a political system in which government is formed by the people, or democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. Next point, form of government. There are three types of government. First, authoritarian government. Second is communist government. And third is democracy government. First, authoritarian government. Authoritarian also has divided into four parts. First, monarchy. Second, theocracy. Third, oligarchy. And fourth is autocracy or dictatorship. A country that is governed by a king or queen called monarchy, and power inherited through family lines. Theocracy. According to theocracy, government recognizes God or a divine being as the ultimate authority. A group of religious leaders rule in the name of God, which is based on the principles of that religion. Next, oligarchy. The government is run by a small group of people called oligarchy. So, children, according to oligarchy, the government is run by a small group, has all the powers. Like example, ancient Rome and South Africa. Next, dictatorship or autocracy. In autocracy government, dictator hold supreme power. According to a system, there is no external pressure on the government. The ruler exercises absolute control and people have no rights and no freedom. Communist. The government wants and controls the economy and is a single party holds power. Private ownership is banned. The means of production belong to the community and all goods are equally shared by the people. Examples include China and North Korea. A system in which the government of a country is elected by the people called democracy, or citizens hold the political powers. A very good definition has given by the Abraham Lincoln, that is, democracy is a rule of the people, by the people and for the people. It means that democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. The citizens of the country elect their government to rule the country, and the elected government work for the welfare of the people. There are two main types of democracy. First, direct democracy, and second is indirect or representative democracy. Citizens are directly involved in the work of governing the country by voting citizens are participating in the democratic process, and indirect or representative democracy is when citizens elect representative to make law for them. Our next point, elements that make democracy popular in the contemporary world. In this, we will learn about people rules, second, equality, third, fundamental rights, fourth, law and justice, fifth, separation of power, sixth, accommodating differences. People choose their representative through election to form the government, and we know citizens hold the political power. So, if government fails to fulfill the expectations of the people, can get replaced by other. So people have the freedom to raise their voices against the government. The Indian Constitution recognizes every person as equal. This means that every individual in the country, male and female, from all caste, religions, tribes, and background, are recognized as equal. The right to freedom of speech and action. Second, the right to worship in any form. Third, the right to freedom of information. Fourth, the right to travel and settle anywhere in the country. Fifth, the right to form association. Sixth, the right to assemble freely. Seventh, the right to education. Democracy provides highest degree of respect and dignity to their citizens by giving them various types of rights and liberty. In a democracy country, law is supreme and all citizens are equal in the eyes of law. Next point, separation of power. In a democracy government, power has divided into three branches. This division is called the separation of the power. Accommodating differences. In any healthy democracy, there are systems put in place to accommodate the needs of the different sections of the society and resolve conflict. This ensures that all differences get settled peacefully through dialogue and negotiations. Last point is equality and justice in India. The main features of a democracy are people's participations, second, conflict resolution, third, equality, and fourth is justice. After independence, the leaders of the country realized that they had to take strong decisions to improve their conditions. So constitutions of India ensured political, economic and social equality for each of its citizens. So every citizen above the age of 18 have right to give vote.